Hey guys, welcome back to another episode Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. All right, on today's episode, we're going to keep painting the old Chevy truck. I hope you enjoy it. I think you can probably see it here, but we started the cut and buff process on the hood here. Should look amazing when it's done.
I'm putting this on a little heavy to fill out void, so this may not be the...
All right, let's go in here and check the truck out. Looks really nice and shiny. Of course, the top is going to get painted white, so that's why that's not done yet, but this looks really nice. I know Phil's really excited about it. We got a little paint work to do on the inside yet, and the roof, and seems like it never ends, but it's definitely making progress and coming along. All right, I figured I'd show you guys this. It's a 79 Blazer that Ed's had for a while. You've seen it in some of the videos before, but he's going ahead and starting interior restoration on this truck. I think what he's going to do is just do the interior and leave the outside the way it is and just drive it. So the seats are off getting restored right now, and he's got the carpet, new carpet for it. You can see it laying up there, and the old carpet is pulled out, and he's getting ready to put the new in. So you can see everything's all tore out, and but this is a super solid Blazer. It's a really nice one, so it'll make a good driver. We need to get a new window motor for the tailgate, so that's why that's apart, so we can run the glass up and down. But just figured I'd show you guys this. It's not really a whole, project video where it's going to be a long-term type project, just something real quick. So, all right, so here's the engine in here. It's a just your basic run-of-the-mill 350, just like what came in all these trucks back then. This truck is sat for a little while, but it will start up and run. It took us a couple minutes to get it going yesterday, but it is up and running again, so it's good news. I had to put a little trans fluid in it to make it move, and a couple things like that, but it's up and running again.
Pull that back for me.
This?
Yeah. All the way back so I can see the seatbelt. That slides off.
Slides?
All right, so we got the carpet laid out in there. None of it's put in place. We just wanted to make sure everything fit, and we're just kind of doing a test fit on it. We had this laid out in the sun yesterday to help flatten it out. That made a massive difference. If you can do that, definitely do that before you put carpet in. It's laying way flatter now. This back piece especially was all wrinkly, and it was going to be tough to fit. The same way with the front piece, but anyway, it's starting to come along, and it's looking good. I'll keep you updated. Hey guys, let's take a look at some viewers' rides. Hey, if you want to see your ride on the channel, send me some good quality pictures of your classic to the email address below. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. Be sure to come back next time. Oh, hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for your notifications, and click the like button. Thanks for watching.